Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walgreens how to update insurance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to update insurance in the Walgreens, first what you need to do is simply head over and launch the Walgreens application and be sure to be logged into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply select the prescriptions tab on the bottom of your screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the pharmacy settings, and then once you're inside there, simply select pharmacy services or insurance information, sometimes listed as managed insurance. Then once done, tap on add insurance to enter a new plan or select your existing plan to update and enter details from your insurance card like member ID, RX BIN or RX PCN, then your group number, plan or provider name. And once done, review all the details and submit the info. Your updated insurance will be stored in the app and linked to your prescription. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.